India has done it. It has become now the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the moon after the U.S. and China and the former Soviet Union. Just moments ago, we're talking just a couple of minutes, the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft landed on the lunar South Pole.
India's Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft has achieved a momentous milestone by successfully landing near the moon's South Pole, underscoring a remarkable accomplishment for the nation. The historic landing occurred on August 23 at 8:33 a.m. ET, positioning India as the fourth country to achieve a lunar landing, joining the ranks of the United States, the former Soviet Union, and China. The achievement was met with jubilation as ISRO Chairman Sridhara Somanath announced the successful touchdown, signifying a significant advancement in India's space exploration efforts. This triumph not only adds to India's spacefaring reputation, but also reflects the nation's growing capabilities in scientific and technological endeavor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the achievement as a success for all of humanity, emphasizing its potential to pave the way for future lunar missions from various nations. The successful landing is anticipated to inspire further advancements in India's space program and motivate the nation's youth towards innovative and pioneering pursuits. The Chandrayaan-3 mission's significance extends beyond scientific exploration as it holds strategic and geopolitical implications. The feat showcases India's prowess and commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. India has joined an exclusive group of spacefaring nations as it becomes the fourth country to accomplish a successful lunar landing. Following in the footsteps of the United States, the former Soviet Union, and China, this achievement marks a significant leap in India's space exploration journey. The successful landing of India's Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft near the moon's South Pole underscores the nation's growing prowess in space technology and highlights its determination to push the boundaries of scientific discovery. As India solidifies its position among these spacefaring giants, it not only showcases its capabilities on the global stage, but also inspires hope for further advancements and collaborative endeavors in space exploration for the betterment of humanity. Following its successful landing near the moon's South Pole, the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft accomplished another crucial feat by establishing a robust communication link with mission control. This achievement signifies the reliability and sophistication of India's space technology, allowing for real-time data exchange and control over the mission's operations. Moreover, the spacecraft transmitted captivating images of the moon's surface back to Earth. These images offer a glimpse into the lunar environment and provide valuable insights for scientists and researchers. The ability to establish seamless communication and capture detailed imagery demonstrates India's capability to effectively manage complex space missions and extract meaningful scientific data from its endeavors. The groundbreaking expedition that the solar-powered rover with the moniker Pragyan is about to embark on will involve exploring the surface of the moon and conducting considerable scientific study. The Pragyan spacecraft, which is outfitted with cutting-edge instruments, will cruise the lunar landscape in order to gather essential data regarding the composition, geology, and possible resources of the moon. Solar energy provides the power for the rover, which is built to resist the harsh conditions of the moon's surface and function effectively for its entire mission. It is believed that the exploration carried out by Pragyan will reveal insights into the history and evolution of the moon that have never been seen before, thereby contributing to our comprehension of the processes that occur on planets. The incredible adventure that Pragyan is about to go upon has the promise of illuminating hitherto unexplained aspects of the moon and making a significant contribution to our overall comprehension of celestial bodies found within our solar system. In addition, Pragyan will locate water ice on the dark side of the South Pole of the Moon. This icy resource has the potential to be an essential source of both fuel and life support for future expeditions. Scientists envisage being able to generate rocket fuel from the ice by first separating it into its hydrogen and oxygen components. This would be a game-changing tool for lengthy space travel. In addition to being useful for propulsion, the oxygen that is extracted may also be necessary for breathing, and the water may be used to supply the requisite hydration. These resources are of particular significance for creating a permanent presence on the moon and permitting excursions further into the cosmos, such as expeditions to Mars. In addition, these resources are necessary for building a presence on the moon that is environmentally friendly. The harnessing of water ice's potential has become a primary emphasis as space organizations and nations explore for long-term space habitation. This offers a pathway to self-sufficiency and an extended human presence beyond Earth. Chandrayaan-3 was able to successfully land on the moon because to a number of strategic and technical advancements that were carried out before the mission. Revised landing tactics and rigorously fine-tuned algorithms that permitted a more flexible and adaptive approach during the critical descent period led to the successful completion of the mission. These factors contributed to the success of the mission. The introduction of stronger landing legs and a bigger landing zone gave an additional margin of safety, and the ability of the spacecraft to bear the impact of landing was ensured by the spacecraft's larger landing zone. By altering the speed of the spacecraft in real time, the employment of dynamic engines allowed for an even smoother touchdown. These developments, when taken as a whole, demonstrate the relevance of iterative learning from prior missions, which ultimately leads to improved technology and methods. The success of Chandrayaan-3 not only highlights India's prowess in the realm of science, but it also serves as an example of how the power of invention and perseverance can be used to achieve ambitious space exploration goals. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is significant in a number of different ways, including, but not limited to, the scientific advancements it made. In a geopolitical sense, it improves India's stature by highlighting the country's scientific capability on an international arena. This boosts India's geopolitical standing. It elevates India as a legitimate player in international space cooperation and strengthens India's commitment to the exploration of space. The accomplishment of Chandrayaan-3 is significant from a geopolitical perspective, since it demonstrates India's potential for innovation and strategic planning, which contributes to the country's diplomatic power. The accomplishments of the mission have the potential to pave the way for future partnerships and collaborations with other nations that engage in space travel. The mission's ability to inspire people is having an equally significant impact. Young people are encouraged to cultivate a culture that values curiosity, creativity, and scientific inquiry as a result of Chandrayaan-3's role as a guiding light and source of inspiration. Young people in India are inspired to pursue jobs in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, sectors when they see their nation's accomplishments in space, which will accelerate India's scientific and technical growth for years to come. The influence of the mission extends beyond its immediate goals, fostering instead a love for travel and discovery that is passed down through the generations. The successful landing of an Indian spacecraft on the moon is a huge achievement for India on its path to becoming a powerful space force. India has demonstrated its scientific capability and its ambition on the world scene by becoming a member of the elite club of nations that are capable of landing on the moon. This accomplishment underlines India's expanding capability in space exploration and positions the country as a significant player in the space industry's rapidly evolving field. And that's all for this video. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.